Hello everybody and welcome to another session of Odoo 13 customization with no code. I'm going to add another field. This time it will be with field type selection, okay, as per a request of one of my audiences. So let's go right now and we are going to follow the same steps and I will repeat it. You already checked it, you should be checked it in the previous video. So let's say I'm going to create a new field. I will name it priority, okay, and the label will be priority 2. Yes, it was right. Yes, priority, okay, and I will make it selection. You can make it required or not, and the other options are here. Okay, so you can also enable tracking ordered. Okay, this is for social, I mean to track if it's already changed or not. This is in the code. If you are going to write it in the code, it's track visibility. Okay, so this is a priority of the sales order. We are going to make it to add the values like low, medium, and high. And please note the difference here. Here is this is a value with small letters and it will be kept in the database, and it will not be visible for the end user. This one here will be visible for the end user with capital letters, and you need to differentiate between them. Here, for example, you can just add the first letter like L, M, H. This can be done, okay, and it will be okay. Now we are ready. We already added the needed values. Save it. Okay, go back to SO sales order and go to edit view. We already added a custom view here with XX new field. I'm sorry. So here we are going to add a new field name with name X priority with the same name we already added in the fields. Okay, by saving this, saving here, okay, and let us reload the page. Now we have the priority here, so you can select whatever you want from low, medium, and high. So you can add whatever you need, I mean extra values if you want. Thank you for watching.